In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the thrilling new opportunity of placing your first order on Amazon now that they've officially launched in South Africa for 2025. It's an exciting time for all of us, and I'll be guiding you step by step to ensure that you have the smoothest experience possible. Let's dive in and get started with this incredibly convenient service. First, head over to your web browser and type in Amazon.com. A whole new world of shopping will be at your fingertips, with endless options to browse through. Once you arrive at Amazon's official homepage, you'll find categories ranging from electronics to home goods, apparel, and much, much more. It's worth taking some time to explore and get a feel for what might pique your interest. Once you've taken in the virtual landscape of Amazon, it's time to choose an item you're interested in purchasing. You might already have something specific in mind, or maybe you want to browse through different sections to find the perfect product. Click on the item that catches your eye, and you'll be directed to its product page. Here you'll find detailed descriptions, customer reviews, and pricing information, which can be incredibly helpful in making an informed decision. After pressing that Add to Cart button, you've made a big step forward. Your item is now sitting in your virtual cart waiting for you to proceed. Take another glance at the item details within your cart to double check everything. When you're ready to move on, click on Go to Cart and you'll be directed to a comprehensive summary of your item selection. Now, take a moment to review everything and ensure it's just as you intend before you proceed checkout. Hit the Proceed to Checkout button and you'll be prompted to log in if you haven't already. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, don't worry. Setting one up is simple and quick. It only takes a few moments to provide your details and create your new account. Once you're logged in, it's time to add your delivery address and payment method. This is where you'll input the necessary information to ensure that your package arrives at your doorstep without any hitches. You might want to double check your address for accuracy to avoid potential delivery issues. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have successfully ordered your item. In a few days, it will arrive at your designated destination, and you can enjoy the convenience and efficiency that Amazon has brought to South Africa. Enjoy your new product and happy shopping on this exciting new platform. Remember to check back for any future updates or deals that could make your shopping experience even better.